Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying immediate safety and locating likely hammer sources. This matters because speed beats perfection in disaster conditions. Once you confirm a safe route, move toward nearby hardware, maintenance sheds, or communal tool caches. Make sure to carry a light, gloves, and a secure bag so you can extract and transport a hammer quickly. If buildings are unsafe, pivot to scavenging from fallen structures or vehicle trunks. Always watch for hazards and avoid unstable loads. You now focus on obtaining and verifying a usable hammer. This reduces injury risk later. Once you locate candidate tools, inspect the head-to-handle joint, check the handle for cracks or rot, and gauge rust on striking surfaces. Make sure a light tap produces solid contact. If locks restrict access, communicate and offer assistance in exchange for tools rather than forcing entry. Finally, clean and oil moving parts quickly, so the hammer is ready for immediate use. You finish by securing the hammer for safe transport and effective use. That ensures it lasts through multiple tasks. Once the head is stable, bind it with cord, wedge in a shim, or wrap heavy tape tightly. Make sure the handle feels secure before striking. Use proper grip and aim to avoid glancing blows and apply controlled force rather than wild swings. If the hammer fails in use, replace the handle or adapt another tool, like a heavy wrench, as a temporary striking implement, and always reassess safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.